Starting with the great and glorious name of Allah, who is the most merciful and compassionate. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope you all are safe and sound and under the special bless of Allah. Let us start with our today's lecture. We are going to discuss the on-book exercises of Unit number 10, Technology in Everyday Life. Please do your homeworks side by side. They are really very necessary. Please open up page 101 of your book. What is a phrase? We discussed it before as well. Let me make you remember. So let us start. A phrase is a collection of words. What is a phrase? A phrase is a collection of words that may have nouns or verbals, but it does not have a subject and action verb. Clear? A group of words that may have nouns or verbals, but it does not have a subject and action verb. The following are examples of phrases. Leaving behind the dog. It has the noun, it has the verbs, but it doesn't have any subject. Then, smashing into a fence. Before the first test. After the devastation. See, all these group of words are giving us the sense but incomplete. Clear? Between ignorance and intelligence. Broken into thousands of pieces because of her glittering smile. In these examples above, you will find nouns, dog, fence, test, devastation, ignorance, intelligence, thousands, pieces. You also have some verbals, leaving, smashing, but in no case is the noun functioning as a subject doing a predicate verb. Clear? They are all phrases. Clear? Now come towards the next one topic. What is a clause? A clause is a subject or group of subjects and a predicate or group of predicates. Let us make this definition in parts. A clause is a subject and a predicate working together. A clause is a group of subjects and a group of predicates working together. Clear? A sentence can have as few as one clause, or it may have many clauses. Clear? If you remember, we discussed it before in the previous lectures as well when we were discussing simple sentences, compound and complex. Clear? So this is the same as we discussed in that. A sentence can have as few as one clause, or it may have many clauses. Clear? Clauses are to sentences that rooms are to houses. मतलब कि एक clause sentence भी कहलाता है. Clear? Then let us move towards page 102. A sentence may have only one clause. A sentence may have only one clause, like a studio apartment may have only one room, or a sentence may have many clauses, like a house may have many rooms. Clear? एक clause में, एक sentence में एक भी clause होता है और एक sentence में more than one clauses भी होते हैं. So, clauses are the building blocks of longer sentence. Clear? Hope so it is clear to all of you. Now come towards the next one topic. It's exercise, practice exercise. Identify the phrases in the following sentences and state their kind, whether it is adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase, noun phrase, or adjective phrase. Clear? So you have to state that as well. In the same you will do in your homework as well. You will find out phrases in unit number 10 and state you are going to state their kind as well. Clear? Let us see the first one. He was a man of great wealth. A man of great wealth is phrase over here, and it is adjective phrase. Then, the principal was an old man of friendly disposition. An old man of friendly disposition. This is adjective phrase. It is a phrase and it is adjective phrase. Clear? What do these adjective phrases do? It gives us additional information. Clear? It gives us additional information. The workers belonged to a tribe dwelling in the hills. So, a tribe dwelling in the hills is an adjective phrase. The fifth one. Only a man with plenty of money can buy a car of such beauty and power. A man with plenty of money, adjective phrase, and another phrase as well, a car of such beauty and power. So this is also adjective phrase. He was a young man. So a young man, noun phrase. Of great promise, adjective phrase. Then he wore a turban made of gold. A turban, noun phrase. Made of gold, adjective phrase. He ran with great speed. With great speed, adverb phrase or adverbial phrase. Clear? If you remember, we discussed it before as well, that prepositional phrases are also called adverbial phrases. Clear? Please note down your today's homework. Search out phrases in Unit 10 and state their kind. You have to search out 10 phrases. Clear? Search out 10 phrases in Unit 10 and state their kind. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.